Are you tired of scrolling through pages of irrelevant search results? Want to unlock the secret of finding exactly what you're looking for? In this video, we are going to look at one of the basic search strategies we can use to identify and get information online or in your databases easily, and this is truncations and wildcards. We are going to discover how we can use these truncations and wildcards in our searches to reduce on the time we waste searching through this different websites and when you're looking for information. By definition, truncations and wildcards are just symbols or characters that are used to replace one or more words in a given search, whatever you're searching for. Like in short terms, they're just symbols. For example, some of these symbols used, which we call truncation and wildcards, they include asterisks. This asterisk sign here, we can use it, a question mark and a dollar sign. For asterisks, for example, we can use it like when you're looking for words like compute. When I'm searching and I bring the word compute, so we are going to find out on how to use these different symbols. For if I'm searching for compute, using this asterisk sign to give me results like computer, computing and computation, question mark, and I just type in human, question mark, you expect these results. So let us find out using Google how we apply these truncations. So we are going to see and identify how we can use the different truncations and wildcards in our search strategies. Remember, these truncations are useful, like they increase your flexibility in search, they will save time and they will improve on your search results. Instead of bringing unnecessary stuff, they'll just bring for you whatever you have specifically searched for. Now let us try it out. Suppose I'm searching for computer, but I don't want to finish the whole word, like I want stuff relating to computer and stuff. I'll just type in compute, then asterisk. That's what Mr. Google will bring us. So for a search like compute and you put asterisk, meaning it is going to narrow other search results which are not relevant to computing and to broaden your results concerning computing. Like you see in our results here, they are bringing us stuff like compute, computer, images here as you see. Then you have computing. You see, they can bring your computer here, computing, and many more findings concerning computer stuff, computer basics, meaning it is broadening your search results according to computing and stuff, leaving out the other irrelevant stuff which you may not need. So we can embrace these wildcards and asterisks to get best and quicker results. Let us also try out on using our question. Supposing I'm writing about women, but instead of putting the woman here, I just put a question mark. Let's see the results they can give us. So for such as such, they can, you see, according to this result, can bring me maybe I want something concerning woman, or could it be women, like such stuff. Let's see the results which are bringing. So when you're using these wildcards and truncations, they will simply improve on your search results. They will bring you the necessary information and leave out the unnecessary information, which may lead to maybe delayed search or mistakes in your research, or even bring for you irrelevant information. So I pray that we may all embrace the use of wildcards and truncations in order to improve on our search results. So supposing I'm looking for a word like violence. So after us having known about how to apply those truncations and wildcards. These are the benefits. They will save on your time, like when you're searching, you see you searched for the things very fast. They improve on your search results and they increase your flexibility as you are researching. So we can use truncations and wildcards in our academic search, our professional search, and whatever we are doing concerning research. You can use them in database, you can use them in website searches and everything. Don't forget to comment, share your experience concerning truncations and wildcards so that we also learn from you. Thank you.